Brian Sensei here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Visual Assistant in Microsoft Copilot. With this tool, you can have Copilot help you do things on the computer, like navigating a website or learning how to use common software applications. Let's check it out. All right, to use the Visual Assistant in Copilot, you need to use the desktop version of Microsoft Copilot. So I have it pinned here to my taskbar and already installed. If you need to install it, go to the Microsoft Store, search Store, click on Microsoft Store, and then in here you're going to search for Copilot. Microsoft Copilot app. And from here you can click Install. You'll notice mine says open because I've already installed it. Now, one caveat here is in order for this to work, you need to log in with a personal Microsoft account. All right, so let's go ahead and run the app. Okay, so the Copilot app launches. You can see it's very familiar, just like using Copilot in the browser. You have your chat history on the left, and you have your prompt field where you can begin asking it questions. You'll notice here that you have the plus icon to upload documents. You have the microphone to begin having a voice conversation with Copilot. But the new feature here is share screen with Copilot. That's right. In order to use the Visual Assistant, you need to share your screen. So I'm going to click here on the glasses. Now here it's going to show me which apps or windows that I have open, and I need to select one or more so that I can get the support from the Visual Assistant. I'm going to start here with the internet browser, so I'll select that.
Hey Brian, looks like you're on the Guitar Center website. Need help finding something specific or navigating the site? Just let me know and I'm here to assist.
Yes, I need help shopping for a guitar for a beginner. My daughter wants to begin learning how to play the guitar. How can I find the right guitar for her on this website?
I see the guitars section at the top of the page. Hover over or click on it, and then look for options like beginner guitars or acoustic for beginner-friendly options. You might find starter packs that include everything she needs to get started. Ready to give it a try?
Yes, I can't find guitars. Can you show me?
I've highlighted the guitars category for you at the top of the page. Hover over it to find different types of guitars, including options for beginners. Give it a try.
Nice. Thank you. I'm seeing lots of options in here. Now I want to go with an acoustic guitar, and I see them here. I'm going to click on 6-string.
Sounds good. 6 strings are perfect for beginners. Happy shopping, and let me know if you need any more help.
Yes, I need help. Which guitar brands would you recommend for a beginner?
Yamaha and Fender are solid choices for beginners. They're known for their quality and playability, offering good sound without breaking the bank. You can't go wrong with either to kickstart your daughter's musical journey.
All right. Thank you, Copilot. Talk to you later.
Sure thing, Brian. Catch later.
All right, so I'm going to click close here. And now we're back to our regular Copilot view, but you'll notice here that it has captured the entire conversation. So I can always go back to this later if I need to review it. Okay, let's do this again. However, we're going to do it with Microsoft Excel. I'm going to go to a new chat right here. And I'm going to click on the glasses again. And this time I'm going to select Microsoft Excel where I already have a spreadsheet open.
Hey, Brian. I'm seeing your Excel spreadsheet. What can I help you with on this quarterly sales sheet?
Hi, yes. I would like you to help me learn how to create a graph of this tuition data.
All right, let's make a graph out of your tuition data. Ready? First, highlight the cells containing the tuition data, including the labels. Let me know once that's done.
Okay, I'm done. What's next?
Great. Now, click on the Insert tab at the top of Excel. Once you're there, let me know and we'll move to the next step.
Okay, I'm there. What do we do next?
Awesome. Now, within the Insert tab, look for the Charts group. Click on Recommended Charts, and a dialog box will appear showing different chart options. Let me know when you see it, and we'll move forward.
I'm having trouble finding recommended charts. Can you show me where it is or point to it?
You should see the Recommended Charts button highlighted now. Go ahead and click it, and we'll pick a chart from there.
Awesome. What do you think is the best chart type to use?
A line chart would be excellent for visualizing the tuition data over time. It shows trends and changes across the quarters nicely. Give it a try by selecting the line chart and see how it looks.
I'm not seeing any line charts here. Where should I click?
I've highlighted the All Charts tab for you. Click on that and you'll find the line chart option there.
Aha! Thank you.
You're welcome. Need any more help with this or something else?
Well, I see line charts now. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and click OK.
Perfect. Your tuition data is now visualized with a line chart. I can help you customize it further, or is there anything else you'd like to do?
Yes, how do I change the chart title?
Click on the chart title and start typing your new title. Once you're done, just click outside the title box to set it. Give it a try and let me know how it goes.
Awesome. Now, there's one more thing I want you to help me with. On this line in the graph, I would like to add labels on the line itself. How do I do that?
To add labels on the line itself, click on the chart to activate the Chart Design tab. Then look for Add Chart Element, click on it, and choose Data Labels. You'll see options for placing the labels. Select Above to place the labels directly on the line. Give that a try.
Awesome. Totally awesome. Thank you so much, Copilot.
You're welcome, Brian. Happy to help. If you need more assistance or have anything else on your I'm here for you.
All right, talk to you later.
Talk to you later, Brian. Take care.
And I'll click X to get out of that. And again, this whole conversation was captured for me for future reference. Isn't that amazing? Let me know what you think of this in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you might use this while you're working on the computer. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. Also, if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.